Good morning and welcome back to my channel. We're inside the house today and I'm going to show you how I make homemade pickles. So without any further delay, let's get started. Here we have the pickles from the cucumbers, which are soon to be pickles from my last video. There are 5 of them that I cut into spears like this. We have 2-quart canning jars, and we have 2 packets of the Mrs. Wager's kosher dill pickles. So for 1 pack of the mix, it is for 2 pints, which equals 1 quart. So what I have here is 4 cups of water that I'm allowing to heat up, along with a cup and a half of white vinegar, distilled white vinegar. Once the water heats up and comes to a semi-boil, I'm going to add the mix in, stir it up slowly. In the meantime, I'm going to take the jars and take my pickles and stand them on end like this. I may only need 1 jar. We'll see. Okay, that's enough in there. I like my pickles kind of spicy. Maybe I can get 1 more. I did. Okay. I like my pickles kind of spicy. So in addition to putting the pickles in, I'm also going to put a couple pieces of Texas cowhorn rather, pepper that I harvested as well. I have cut these on the bias diagonally, so they're going to go in as well. And we'll have a little heat with the pickles. Okay, I'm going to do the same with this one. We're going to put a couple pieces in, and I'm going to take the remaining spears and put them in. So we'll have 1 jar that I'm going to eat immediately and 1 that will take me some time to eat. So the water is starting to come to a boil. So I'm going to take these and pour them in. Packet number 1 and packet number 2. Smells so good. We're going to stir. Allow this to come to a semi-boil. And then we're going to pour it into the jars. The kosher dill mix you can get offline from Amazon. I think they sell it in a spicy version as well as just the regular kosher dill mix, and it's not overly expensive. So we'll come back in a few minutes when this is boiling, and then we'll pour it into the jars. Okay, we're back, and the brine is ready. So I'm going to get my little fill right here, stick it in, hold it, and gently pour the solution without trying to spill it. Okay, that one is done. And we'll do this one, come back to do this one. Okay, we're done. And we'll sit that there. Okay, I'm going to allow these to cool, and then I'm going to put the tops on them, and they're going to go in the fridge. I'm going to take the back of my spatula here and press down. Make sure I get all the air bubbles out. And we're going to do the same thing with the second one. Try to, at least. There we go. We're down. Okay. And as I said, I'm going to go ahead and let these cool because they're kind of warm right now. Then I'm going to cap them. And once they completely cool, they're going to go in my fridge. They will sit for 7 to 14 days before I'm ready to eat them. And then after that, I will be eating them constantly. Pickles are one of my favorites, especially homemade pickles. So I want to thank you for coming along with me while I show you how I make quick, easy pickles. It's not very difficult, and it's cheaper in the long run than buying store-bought. And you could make them to your liking, your taste specifications. So it's easy to do. If you enjoyed the video, give me a thumbs up. If you are a first-time visitor, I thank you for coming. Take a moment to consider subscribing. You'll see me in the kitchen, you'll see me grilling, and you will see me in the garden in my videos. If you do subscribe, don't forget to hit the like button and the notification bell all, so you'll be notified whenever I upload new content. If you are a returning subscriber or visitor, I appreciate you. You guys continue to push the channel forward and make it grow larger than I ever thought it could. So until next time, always remember, even in small spaces such as mine, you can grow a great amount of food for yourself and your family. Stay blessed, stay strong, and grow, grow, grow. Lastly, and most importantly, always give the thanks to God, for without Him, we are nothing. Until next time, take care.